Good morning, everyone. I hope you are having a beautiful day. Yeah, she going. She going. Oh, man. Everything's looking good this morning. I think we're supposed to get, well, the weatherman said something about 50% chance of rain we're supposed to have today. So, I'm gonna give everybody a little water just in case it's late. I hope all is well with you all. Yeah. So for these onions, I don't give them a lot of water. I just kind of wipe it down with a little water. That's it. Just wet them a little bit. That's all. But I've been out here all morning, and I'll share with you what I've been doing. That's my spot right there, y'all. That's my spot. That's what I've been doing this morning. Dropping seeds. Yeah. Today is Friday. So right now, guys, it's about 2 o'clock in the evening, and I'm running low on fuel. Yes. I've been dropping seeds all morning. Yes, all morning dropping seeds. But then, it's all right. I love to do it. I love to do it. Let me share with you all some things I've done here. So this is a lot of tomatoes, brassicas. There's a lot of brassicas in here too. Some kohlrabi, some purple bok choy, some spinach. Yeah, some all that kind of good stuff like that in here. That's what I put in here. But let me share what I put in me grow bags. But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! So this is the area I have been working in all day. And this is my grandson aloe vera that I just trimmed up from the frost. Yeah, but this is my area. Now, in each one of my grow bags, I've dropped seeds in them. Yes. So I've not only dropped seeds, two of them have plants in them already. Yeah, my seeds. Yeah, my plants. Yeah. But listen, I want to talk to you all about is as soon as we see the sun and we feel the heat of the day as gardeners, we just gotta get in it, right? We got to get in that thing. And then we begin work. We begin pruning trees. We begin cleaning garden beds, cleaning in-ground where we're going to plant in many of our plants, and the containers. And if you have been growing your seedlings inside in a little greenhouse, then now you heartening off plants, and you bringing them in and you bringing them out, and you bringing them in and you bringing them out. Now listen, guys. So the other day also I filled up my bird feeders. Jada and I, we completed the task of finishing the hummingbird feeders. Um, just a lot of the little things that we needed to do, right? I just want us to be aware that even if you are in this garden with your husband, your wife, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your boo, your baby, your baby, your body gonna get tired out there. Yes, you're gonna get tired. So you gotta take it easy. Take it easy, right? So the very first suggestion I would give to anyone is when you start your day, you eat a good meal. Eat a good meal. You know, I don't mean nothing like hamburgers and french fries. No, no. I mean, eat a good, nutritious meal. Your body will need the nourishment, okay? And choose an area of what you want to do in your garden. Whether you want to work on dropping seeds for vegetables, you want to work on dropping bulbs, flowers, whatever it is, just choose something, an area, and work on that for that day, and that's it. um, you will find yourself maybe having everything done, but you won't be able to enjoy it because you are too tired. Yeah. Yeah, you'll be too tired to enjoy it. So take it easy, take it step by step. Yeah, every day, one day at a time. But listen, guys, on Tuesday, I want to talk to you all about um, growing onion and garlic. We're going to talk about that Tuesday. We're going to talk about why I don't drop um, broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage seeds during the spring. Now, if I have some left over from the fall, oh, I'm going to keep her. I'm going to keep them all. But I don't drop new seeds of these vegetables in the spring. We'll talk on Tuesday about why I don't do that. Yeah. But the most important thing is that take your time, take it slow. This is the beginning of our gardening season. And no, you do not have to drop every seed in your seed collection. No, no need to drop every one of them. No. And if you do need to drop them, right, then you can drop them later in this season, but you can. And we will also talk about how I drop seeds continuously during the spring. And that I do. I drop seeds continuously during the spring. And this is how I have the harvest that I do. Yeah, I can still enjoy even today. I have a couple bags of frozen tomatoes from last season. Yeah, so we all can do this, but take care of your body. Take care of your body. We want to enjoy it. We want to enjoy being out in our garden, right? So, yeah, don't try to do everything at one time. It just won't work, family. It just won't work. Exactly. So today is Saturday. I am going to be working in the garden, but what I'm going to be doing in the garden today, I'm going to be sitting. And that is, I have my seeds already dropped, and I'm going to put them all in small containers. Yeah, so Nothing strenuous today. For the last 2 days, yeah, I have been working it, y'all. Working it. So I just need to back up. I noticed last night when I took a shower and ate and laid down, the next thing I remember, it was 6:30 in the next morning. I'm like, oh my God. But anyway, guys, check this out. Yeah. Did I share these potatoes with y'all? Now, I'm thinking there were 5 or 6 potatoes in here. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But here's one. Here's another one right here. There's one. Here's one. There's one. Here's one. And this is a gorgeous, gorgeous purple. Oh, come on now. Yeah. That's one. This is another container I have. Potatoes. I think there's 2 potatoes in here. Maybe 3, I don't know. But for 2 is showing up. This one and that one. Now in these I have one here and maybe one here, but no one is showing up yet. But that's okay. And these gorgeous babies, they doing good. So here I have some Alaskan kale. I'm not a big fan of Alaskan kale, but Jody liked it, so I'm gonna grow it for her. But what I really wanted to show you is that, and that is my onions and shallots. Here's some here, and here's some here. And I'm just gonna let them get just a tad bit more bigger. And then I'm gonna put them all around the garden. And these babies, I'm gonna put them in other containers, probably in my grow bags. Yeah. And let them grow up in there. And here, I'm gonna put a tomato plant in here. At least one of the big ones. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to check in with you all, let you all see what's going on in my garden today. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just go in and get me a shower and watch TV until TV watch me. These are some kind of magnolia flower bush. It's a bush, but they make just the most cutest flowers, and as you can see, the flowers are blooming. Yeah, they are blooming. They're beautiful. But I'm gonna harvest one of these garlics. I'm going to bring it inside. I'm gonna put it in my meal tonight. And I decided I want the whole thing today. So, but yeah, I'm gonna clean this up and put it in a bag. And oh boy, it's in there. Gotta let go, baby. Oh, that was a worm. Oh man, that didn't feel too right. I think I better let it go. There we go. So this is garlic. This is garlic. Not looking for the bulb, guys. No, I'm not. But I'm looking for today is something to eat. So I'm going to clean this up, chop it up, and I'll put it in my meal tonight. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. You'll have a great evening. All right, y'all. Later, y'all.